There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, diva.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. Y'all already know, with a MyFirstWig, you good to go. And especially for the new year, you know I'm coming through with the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. And this girl say less is definitely the best of the best. Do y'all see these highlights in this unit? Girl, I love everything about MyFirstWigs. This Yaki texture here is definitely gonna have me slave for 2025. Comes with adjustable straps at the nape, a comb, a black elastic band. Girl, listen, they got you. Definitely got you. So while I go ahead and get ready, I'm gonna show you guys how your wig comes from MyFirstWig.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin.
Okay, y'all, so listen, this is MyFirstWig's pre-everything wig. I swear I feel like everything from MyFirstWigs is pre-everything. Even if the lace is on it, girl, all you need to do is cut it off. But this definitely is a MyFirstWigs pre-everything lace front, where they cut the lace for you already in the front part. Now, I did want to make it fit just to my head size, so I went ahead and just took a little bit off the sides by parting directly above my ear like so, and then just cutting off that little piece of excess lace with hair, so that way the wig fits comfortable. You see? You dig? Now, this Swiss tinted lace, baby, is everything. You definitely don't need to glue it down, but for my sides, I definitely like a little bit of hairspray, just so that way it stays down and it's good to go. Now, you definitely could put some sideburns in this, because this is what I like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off that area, where I'm just gonna use one of my favorite hairsprays, which is Aussie Instant Freeze. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray that right by the temple part on the sides, girl, and that's about it. Now, you can go ahead and apply this unit as you want to, but for me, I don't really need the entire thing adhered, because the molding and the size fit is perfect on this. Now, need I mention, I'm pretty sure y'all already know, but I'm gonna let y'all know today, MyFirstWigs came through, girl, with them drawstring lace front wigs. So if you wanted a drawstring lace front wig, then you definitely need to go ahead and buy yourself something, because you know Christmas is already over, honey. It's 2025, and what better way to treat yourself is with a new wig from MyFirstWigs. Now, I already said they got the best of the best of the best. You could either take my word or take no word at all. But I'm telling you, once you put this wig on, girl, you're going to feel like a whole new person. And it's 2025, and I definitely want to feel like a whole new person. Now, this is the type of lace that will just melt so much into your skin that you forget that you got on a wig. And sometimes I do that with the MyFirstWigs. The hair texture is amazing on this. I love Yaki texture here. And let me tell y'all, sometimes Yaki texture in stock wigs are kind of hard to find. So when you find one, get you one. And why not get it from MyFirstWigs? They got Yaki texture. They got silky texture. Girl, they got so many nice wigs. You won't even know where to start. Me personally, I love the Yaki texture the most. This one just gives me all the way just like African American hair vibes. The texture on this is amazing. The parting space is amazing, as well as the highlights. This is a nice unit. It's very comfortable to wear, and the density is so realistic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb just to press the sides in a little bit, just so that way I get the wig the way I wanna wear it. Now do y'all see how nice this just smooths onto the hairline? Look at that, it looks so natural at the hairline. You wouldn't even think that it was a wig, and that's what I like to do. I like to fool people. I love to fool people. Now, a little bit of wax stick is always great for pressing your hair. If you don't know where to get one from, you can get one from MyFirstWigs. Girl, they have styling tools, and they also got wax sticks, elastic bands. Girl, just look on their website. One-stop shopping, honey. Well, one-stop shopping for your hair, that is. Now look how nicely this melts into my lace. I'm loving this unit. I love the Yaki texture. I love the highlights. Now I do have another wig by MyFirstWigs that's very similar to this. It is a Yaki texture as well, but it's an ombre color, and the auburn color is at the bottom. I wear that a lot too. Girl, I've been wearing this wig right here ever since I did this review. Catch me outside in this. You definitely will. And you can also check some of my latest Real Talk videos. Yes, baby, this is the wig that I've had on all that time. And I also love MyFirstWigs. Very user-friendly, very beginner-friendly. Girl, you don't really got to do much if you don't know about wigs. Just go to MyFirstWigs. They got you covered. Now, I really don't know what possessed me to use this big ass curling iron. It takes me longer to curl my hair with that curling iron versus just using a curling wand. I just need to just do what's best for me and not trying to fix stuff that ain't broken. But I really did want to see how this hair curls. Now look at those curls. This came out really, really nice. And baby, look at that hairline. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut me some sideburn hairs. Now, I will have to go back and trim some of the sideburns. I really don't know why I be making those faces when I be styling my hair. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that does it. But look how natural and realistic that hairline looks. Ladies, this is the perfect wig, okay? For any type of weather, season. It don't matter what you're doing. MyFirstWigs wigs is always perfect for anything. The lace melts, Swiss tinted, melts into your skin. Girl, you will forget you have on a wig, I said. Now this step is optional, but I definitely need some sideburns. I just feel like it takes away from the longevity of my long head. And back to my oldie but goodie favorite toothbrush that I have been rocking with for like 13 years. And just to make the scalp look a little bit more scalpish-like, my own complexion, a little bit of my foundation stick won't hurt. And then I'll just take my wipe and just wipe off any excess because I don't want my parts to look super duper wide. Girl, look at this hairline. Baby, do it like it's your B-day. Do it MyFirstWigs wig. Girl, this is definitely the most needed wig that you need for 2025. Girl, your New Year's resolution should be, I'm gonna make sure that I buy great wigs for myself. Look at that parting space. I'm telling you guys, treat yourself. Holidays is over. Get you a new wig, go big, okay? And go to MyFirstWigs, honey. Look at those highlights. I'm telling you guys, you'll thank me later. But I hope y'all really did enjoy this video, because I sure did. I always enjoy when I get a good wig like this. Girl, what? You can't tell me nothing. Definitely came through, and this is only 20 inches. You see how long that is? They be fooling you. They give you more inches than you asked for. But I ain't complaining, girl. Make sure you check the description box down below. It's got all the info for MyFirstWigs, okay? Get your pre-everything wig, boo-boo. You'll be happy just like me in this 2025, girl. Get your wig. Thank you for watching this video, y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. Check the description box. Be blessed, stay safe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.